Hello, this is Vigalis Sathanos, and I am in Group 38 with Sarah Topper. This is Lab 7 hardware, so I'm going to explain a bit. So as you can see, here is our original draft from Simulate. We have the three flip-flops with the associated or NAND gates in order to create our functions. And then, as you can see from our lab and the counter we were given, we went through the process to come up and with the flip-flops with doing the K-maps. And one thing that we noticed is that for the actual hardware, we could not use the don't care values as like this one right there, and then this don't care right there. So when we went back in and removed the don't cares, our flip-flop was as follow. So the first flip-flop A stayed the same. The second one changed, as well as the third one. And let's see. So the only thing is we couldn't get our I guess our counters to work perfectly as the video Francisco put out, but we got it pretty close. I did email Francisco with this problem, and we tried to work around some ways, but I double checked my wires, made sure I have the right chips, and so just to explain, we have our two flip-flops. Sorry about the wires, but one flip-flop there, one flip-flop here. And then we have our OR gate and two AND gates. We have these pull-down resistors, or I guess these resistors for the LEDs. And then we have our number 4 switch with the pull-down resistor to it, and just a light indicating when that's on or off. And I double checked all the wires, made sure the S and R's are connected to positives. And so I will show you what happens. So if I connect it, let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it's currently on position, and the yellow and red one is on. So I tried to tap it as, well, that turned them off, but when I tap it, as you can see, the switch goes on, but the lights don't seem to stay on. So I don't know if it was a problem with our overall design, or maybe one of the chips was malfunctioning, but like I said, we double checked all the wire connections. Me and Sarah also rebuilt it various times to try to see where the problem was. But for some reason, even if I were to toggle it on and off again, the switches just stay off. It's not until I unplug it and replug it that they come on. So yes, so this, I believe that maybe one of the chips may have been internally broken, or maybe there's something else that we aren't getting. But just to reiterate, we did take out the don't cares with these two new functions. This is our new schematic here. We used this one switch for our clock, and then our simulated schematic was there. Thank you.